What's up, guys? Good afternoon. We're in Manila. Yeah. And we're gonna head over to Eastwood because right now we're in Bagumbayan. We're gonna head over to Eastwood and my son, we're gonna go get him some snacks. So come with me. Let's go check it out. Right, Bing. This is the barangay Bagumbayan. We'll go check it out. Look at all this cool stuff. And we'll see what is there offer. Look at this Tapsilogan's place. They have all these cool calendarias here, and you know, sari stores that you can see on this street. Right now the time is about 1 p.m. lunchtime. So we're gonna head over to this crosswalk. Mikhail's, he already knows the route. Look at him. Yeah, join me. Let's go check it out. Let's see what you can see. Ooh, Halloween, Mikhail. I'm gonna cut through here. Just up here, there's actually it's like a gym and volleyball and basketball court up there. The way in is that way, I believe. But also this is new. All of these roofings here in Bagumbayan. The walkway to Eastwood is actually brand new. The last time I was here vlogging, this roof wasn't here. And it looks like they're doing a lot of cool things for the community. Look at this. All this beautiful painting. It says, do what you love. Let's go. It's really nice. It's pretty cool. Even this is new. Look at this roof. This roof here is something that wasn't built when I was here maybe like 8 months ago. So it's nice seeing this cool covered roof walkway. Mikhail's having a time of his life jumping over things. Watch. Woohoo! Mosquito bit you, boy? Come. Daddy will carry you. Let's go. Oh, ah. So yeah, this is how got bit by a mosquito. This is how this walkway here from Bagumbayan all the way to Eastwood looks like. Think of this as a virtual tour as well as this is my first day back in Manila. Great morning. Maybe I'll show you how my flight and day look like right about here. This is the perfect example of when you land and the doors are not even open and everyone goes crazy in an airplane. Traveling.
This was one of my first times landing in NAIA Terminal 1. Ninoy Aquino International Airport, Terminal 1. It's one of the oldest pickup points for airports in Manila. Also, when you go down here, this little carousel, it has a duty free, and you're not allowed to come back in after you pass a certain place. Pretty crazy traffic, but yeah.
Alright, so yeah, that's what we did to get here, and now we're here and changed money. Here's the Bagumbayan Eastwood, just right here. This is the crosswalk that you see. Also, some new stuff that I've noticed, right? Some new stuff that I've noticed from the last time I was here is there is no more MINISTOP. It became Uncle John's. I guess that's something new and different. Uncle John's. We'll see what we can get in here. All right, Mikhail? Uncle John's. Want some snacks or drinks? We'll get a snack. We'll see. All right. Cobra. This is cool. Lemon dough. We're gonna have Red Horse. This is like their convenience store here in Philippines. There's many. They used to have like Family Mart near here, and also Lawson's and 7-Eleven. We'll make Mikhail pick a drink. Mikhail, what drink do you want? Huh? Look, drink. Look here, drink. Which one you want? Huh? Which one?
Found it.
Okay. Wait here first, huh? He wants a choco drink. It looks like a choco milk. Here you go, baby. Let's go pay. Let's go pay. Come on. Follow me. Over here. Follow me. Follow me. We're gonna go pay this choco drink that Mikhail has here at Uncle John's. Look at all this. There's chicken. That's cool. Eating that over there. Mikhail also found some more snacks. Okay, pick one. Red, pink or blue? Okay, you want the pink one?
Yeah.
All right, okay, let's go. We're gonna pay this, okay? Ah, yes. Yo, give that.
Here we go.
Here we go. Yes, that's right. Your egg and your milk
Chocolate.
and chocolate. Okay, stand here, okay? Don't move. Stand there. Alright, what is this? Oh no, put back. Only those 2 eggs, okay? Put it back.
100.
Thank you. Alright. Our maybe first real purchase here in the Philippines. Miguel's going crazy. Let's continue on with this cool tour of my first day. So yeah, let's give a little mukbang for my little dude here. He's eating. So this guy, this is his snacks. He chose this little choco, and of course he has the cool Kinder that they have. They even have some toys. Watch him. Oh wow, he's so strong, Mikhail. How about your spoon? All right. Oh, what is that, Mikhail? What's this? A cat? That's nice. You want to try your new choco drink? All right. He's preoccupied with his toy. Get a little drink here. Oh wow. I mean, it's not Filipino, it's a Korean brand. Choco milk. It's by No Brand, and it's pretty good. And of course we got like Belgium chocolate Kinder Bueno. Yucks. This is a fun little snack here at Uncle John's that Mikhail's having. I'm gonna make him have his little snack in, and then maybe I'll get some chicken here. My little man's having his little drink, and we're just going for exploration. This one's new. This wasn't here last time I was here. It's called Zeus Coffee. It looks cool. And then this is the Pan de Manila. It's a chain store, but there's very good stuff there. And of course there's Domino's right over here on this side. We're gonna go keep exploring, probably get some maybe a warm meal. A little snack was just for Mikhail to keep going. It's about to rain, as you can see. Like kind of rainy, but it's indoor in this area in Eastwood. You don't even have to get wet. All of these routes that you can take here is actually shaded. I like this place. It's like the San Francisco of Manila. It's what they say, kind of like, you know, BGC is very popular. Whoa, do you hear that? Cake from Goldilocks. Can't always eat sweets, boy. What do you like? Which one's good? Chocolate? Or this mocha? Damn, look at Mikhail, he's going for it. There's cherries on that one. Follow me. We're gonna go look around a little more. This one's called Tea Alive. It's also, wow, it's like a Korean thing. J&G fried chicken, but their picture is some chicken and stuff. The road here, I guess there's construction here. I'm not sure what it is. We're gonna try to find some food. And then over here we have a La Mulher. I guess it's the sending place. And then this spot right here, you can kind of still see it. It used to be a Family Mart. I'm not sure it was doing good in this area, so I think they closed it. And then there's nothing but laundry right there. Join me. We're checking out random sites and stuff. tour of Eastwood. You saw us start off this whole vlog at Barangay Bagumbayan. So now we're just going for a walk here at Eastwood. There's Wendy's over there I can see. Look at Miguel, he's super hyped. The thing about him is he knows where's the toys and stuff is. Look at him. He's actually the one leading me on this tour of Manila, Barangay Bagumbayan, just through Eastwood City. It's pretty cool. This is the Eastwood City bus stop, I guess. I know there's a free bus here. They look like a trolley. Are you ready, boy? We'll cross over here. Let's go. There's some shade over here. As I said, everywhere here is shaded, so it's a good thing. We'll just go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Me and my little mans are going for exploration. You can see he knows this place. Look at him. Are we good? Where we're going? We're gonna go up this escalator. Oh, yeah. Yeah, we're going up. So this is like a mall. It's like a conjunction called Citywalk. I'll do a virtual tour of walk around here because I love this place. You'll always see me here vlogging when I'm here in Manila. There's a UFC gym as well over there. Let's go up this way. There's a Dr. Leather over here. Yeah. This is also new. Last time I was here, this whole wall used to be like a coronavirus looking wall. Now it's like an artwork of a old school radio and cassette tape. As well as this. This is a Kabalan. That's cool. Look at that. Kabalan. Eat all you can, eat all you want. This is like a buffet, I guess. We're gonna go check it. Hey, baby. What? Oh, sorry about that. Alright, so I sent out some toys. It's gonna go for some toys. Ooh, look, monsters. Ooh, trucks. Look, who's that? Lightning McQueen, that's right. I found a pellet gun. That's cool. Yeah, it's like those are banned, but you know, they still sell it here in the Philippines. That's cool. I think he really wants to fish. Okay, okay. Okay. Hey, wait, wait. Tell the lady, give the money, give money. Oh, no, you have to pay first. And give the lady. There you go. Thank you. So, I guess this video became a shopping video for Mikhail. We got this cool fishing game toy, right? Nice. Yeah, good job. Good job, baby. You found the toys. You know where the toys are. We're gonna head down this way and we'll call it. Get the money. Okay, thank you very much. Yeah, you're welcome. Let's go. We got a new toy, baby. Let's go check it out. We'll go down now. So the restaurant I was talking about earlier, Kabalan, it looks like they became a second floor. This is like a buffet, I think. It's really nice. Right now we're at the Citywalk. There's also a cool like Japanese thing over here. I'm not so sure. It's called Sumaru Udon Tempura. Wow, looks good. And of course we got the Eastwood City of Music. Beauty. Let's go check it out. Look at my boy, super happy with this little toy that he found. He knows this place, so he knows exactly where the toys are. And then here you go. This little cool market here in Eastwood. We will order. Oh, there's more toys. You already have a toy, boy. Have some cool wallets. Hello, electronic wallet cheap. Thank you. Little cool market. They have a cool market here. You buy a little cool stuff, even phone gear and more. You want me to put that in my bag? Here, baby. Put inside. Put inside the bag. Put inside first. Open later. Open later, baby. Yeah. Okay. let's go. I think we're gonna head back, just show you the cool stuff here. We'll come back maybe another time. Looks like there's you know, all these cool stuff. Cool, not bad. It's pretty cool. I'm good, thank you. And then wind chimes, beautiful wind chimes. Eastwood City. Also yesterday, before I came, I knew they had a cool event here for the Apple iPhone 15 Pro Max. Just came out here in Philippines, or in Eastwood, Manila area. Yeah, this is it for this video. This is my first day in. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed this cool, quick, random virtual tour of my first day back in Manila. I'll see you guys soon, and of course I'll be posting more. Catch you in the next one. Peace. We are out. Okay, bye. Goodbye. Bye.